Here we go again. Every teacher don't want to be met. I gotta be here till 8 o'clock. I couldn't wait till I set my classroom up. It'll be called Meet the Parents. Them the ones I need to see. Please come in, excuse the junkie room, but the district usually put me in junkie situations around this time of year. Let me take a good look at y'all right now, cause I know I ain't gonna see half y'all till next year. Say the apple don't fall too far from the tree, but I'm hoping some of these apples fell far from these trees. One tree got on some house shoes with ashy feet. One tree loud. One tree ghetto. One tree flirting. One tree got on too tight. Is your mom? No. Is your dad? No. Is your guardian? No. Who is these people? Who's all these little kids running around here? Please control your little niños and niñas. Gonna pick up the chicharron that's off my float. Oh my God, the boy got Takis on his hand. He done rubbed it all on my boy. I'll be making phone calls this week. We ain't got no phone. But I'll just send an email then. We ain't got no internet. Well, I'll send something in the mail. We don't know our address. I'm gonna need you to enroll in life before you try to enroll your kid in school. I thought I was just meeting parents. Who is everybody else? Ain't no meet the teacher. This is a family reunion. Wish somebody would come late. If you come while I'm leaving, you leaving as well. One father came up here and gonna ask me, did his mama put another dude on the contact sheet besides him? I don't know what you're talking about. Snitches get stitches. I'm an educator, not an instigator.